This is an 8 series shelving bay and we're preparing to install two 4 series cabs bolted horizontally or side by side. In order to do that, you need to install these multi-purpose RS angle bars, and the whole idea of this is to stop the two cabs from bowing. This keeps it stiff because there's an angle line that's virtually impossible to bend. So whenever you're installing these, firstly you have to make sure that you install them the same height. They've got to be horizontal, and you use the first hole and the third hole for this exercise. So I will simply start off by putting one of these through this hole, counting the number of holes I've come up, so 2, 4, 11, 12, so that's that one there. Rotate it, and as I said before, first hole and third hole. That's the third hole, and that's the third hole. Okay, we'll repeat the process for the second post using the same methodology at the same height. So first hole and third hole. So that would be my first hole right there. That'll be my third hole right there. Grab my cordless drill. That concludes the support bars being installed correctly. We'll now grab the two cabinets joined side by side horizontally and we'll fit them on these bars.